What happened? Who wins? Got $100. Go.
Video ini akan dimulai dalam 10 detik. Jadi sebelum video ini mulai, subscribe di bawah, klik tombol yang warna merah di bawah. Alright, go. Okay, thank you. Welcome to the Saaih Squad. Enjoy this video.
You ready this?
Hell yeah.
Tapi aku udah punya tas. Perlu nggak? Perlu nggak? No? Yes? No? Tapi ini lebih bagus. Karena gue pakai kaos kaki ini. Kalau kamu berdua hilang, kamu berdua tinggal di sini, kamu akan ngapain? What do you do when you laugh?
Thank you. Nice. Oh, wow.
We have to be a grateful person, baby.
Yeah.
Right? So we're gonna give something to every homeless people. Okay?
Yeah, every.
Okay? Are you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go!
Let's go.
Oke, kita harus bagi-bagi ke orang-orang yang tidak punya rumah atau homeless people atau orang yang diperlukan. Karena kita sudah mendapatkan banyak hal, kita harus menjadi orang yang bersyukur. Karena berbagi itu nggak bakal rugi. Orang pemurah tidak akan susah. Here that mas gua. We put our stuff and we go move again, okay? What is this?
What's that?
What is that?
What is that? Can I push it?
Nope.
Can I push it?
Nope. Can I push it?
No. No, I mean no.
So who's gonna push it? Push it, Pipi.
No.
Okay, let me push it. Okay, how about push it together? Okay, not together, not one getter or two getter, three getter. Ready? Ready?
No.
1, 2, 3, push. What happened? Is it ice? Is it ice?
Yeah.
Yeah, ice. I'm chosen one. No.
Kalau kalian mau liburan jauh, kalian harus mempersiapkan perlengkapan seperti koper-koper atau tas-tas. So, kalian bisa cari koper dan tas di Tokopedia karena banyak pilihannya. Aku kasih linknya di bawah dan kalian bisa langsung cek. Okay?
Okay, guys, we're gonna give this to homeless people. Okay?
Oh my god. Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna give money to homeless people. Okay?
All that.
Okay?
Okay. All that.
Yeah. Okay. Ready? Let's go. Come on. Hold on. Ladies first.
I'm not a lady.
I'm sorry. Come here.
Something.
Go. Give him. Give him. Good.
We got it.
God bless you. Thank you. Let's go. Bilang makasih. Both of you, go. Lu nggak kedinginan kali ya? Oh, kita kan gerak nih, jadi panas. Okay. Yep. You done?
No.
You done?
Yeah.
Wow. Habis loh. You done? Not yet? Okay, no problem. Who wins? Got $100. Go. Yeah, you both got $100. Okay? Let me get some. Handies! You got handies. Come here. You hold the handies. Wait, let me put it first. Let me put it here first.
My tissues.
Okay, we have to finish this money in 10 minutes. Okay?
How about me?
We both. If I say go, you have to finish the money in 10 minutes. That's right. Okay. Let's go. First store, where are you gonna go? This, you wanna go here?
Yeah.
Excuse me. Hello. You have socks, small size for us?
Yeah, in the corner over there.
Here?
Oh, my feet.
Ooh, underwear. You guys want underwear?
The corner over there is small size.
Which one do you want first? This one or this one? What's your size? How old are you?
An 8.
8. So 8.
We don't have that.
No, it's small.
3-year-old.
Oh my.
You want this one? This one?
This one.
This one? You want?
Yeah.
You want the same thing? You want this one?
Her.
For 12 months. It's for baby. How about you same like your brother? Hey, Arlie, you want the same? Don't touch it. That's underwear. Oh no. Your size is 7. This one 4 for you. You want it? Same? Yes?
I like
Yes or not? Lipu.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Give me your handies.
I got your undies.
That's your handies.
Yeah. This is my
Okay,
undies.
this your handies. Okay, let's go.
Are you doing YouTube?
Yep.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Saaih Halilintar.
Tunjukin ini.
Nah, aku suka sama barang-barang kamu.
Oh.
Color. Alright, hey, Arlie, take your money.
Money.
$80.40. You want to buy something here?
Oh yeah.
Yes, you got money.
Maybe.
Which one? Okay, here. Do you have some packet? Thanks so much. Okay, thank you. So duit dia tinggal 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So what are you gonna do again? Let's go.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
What's up?
You like Thanos?
I like Thanos.
Okay, can you sound like
I love
Thanos?
Thanos. Dude.
Destiny will arrive.
Look.
Destiny will arrive.
Menit.
Sakit tenggorokannya dia. Sing. Digi saga. How about you want to buy shoes? You buy shoes or hats? Come here.
I got one.
Do you have like hats for kids? Nope. Guys, you want to buy this?
What's that?
What is this for?
$6.99.
Yeah. How to use it?
This anyway.
Anyway.
Uses this one. Uses this way.
Oh.
This way anyway.
You want to use like this?
Yeah.
Give me 20 seconds. Let's go.
Everybody, it's like a flag. Ice cream truck.
We arrived in the hotel. Inside. Come on. I feel good. You guys feel good? Ow!
Feet.
The feet killing me. Parah, gengs.
My feet are killing me.
Sakit. Okay, let me put it aside. Oh. Let me do your feet. Come in. Let me massage your feet. Massage your feet. Yeah. You guys feel good? Okay.
Good.
Parah banget. Aku ngangkat gear tadi. Ngangkat barang-barang. Can you do it? I want to talk to Hermano. Talk to me. Come here. Pegal. Pegal banget parah. Lihat keram banget. Lihat. Keras banget.
Terus.
Jangan ini. Diam. Au.
Mereka? Hah?
We're going.
We're home.
Oh no.
Bye-bye.
Oh no. He's going.
Bapaknya. Oke.
Sad now. He come to sad mode. Kita belum bilang. Hermano. Kita juga belum bilang bye-bye. Belum say hugs. Udah nggak bilang langsung sih? Nanti langsung masuk mobil aja. No! Semua konten kita di akhirnya kesedihan. Ini tidak baik. Kita harus dengan happy Mas Kuat. What are you talking about like that, boy? Have happy day.
Yeah.
Very happy day. I'm gonna miss you. Kita bertiga happy dari tadi. We do everything together, not together. And we just laugh like that. Squad, you gotta subscribe this channel. Kalau nggak, aku akan sedih. Kalau kamu bikin sedih orang, itu tidak baik.
X gon' give it to you. What?